We free him in the wild. That's cute.
Go catch your own fish.
Yeah.
This is our fish.
He ain't leaving.
No.
He's come back.
He's
after our fish. Yeah, he's come back.
No.
All right, let's go let him go.
Yeah. Can I let him go?
Yeah, you can let him go.
His mother must be ringing. So cool. Mother turtle.
Be quiet. No, they don't. Move.
Move.
Here's this.
Hey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Happy adventures. Go ahead and live free and in the wild.
I don't think I'll have much adventures. I think that was just one of them, though. Yeah, there could be thousands of them. Yeah, who knows who will want to catch this baby snapping turtle?
You see his head sticking up right over there?
Yeah.
No, you don't, because you're not even looking where I'm pointing at.
Nope.
There's
there.
There's one.
Oh,
There's two.
cool.
That one's a little bit bigger, yep.